got a rank young bull that I cannot get out of the corral. So we're going to try and get him out with the skid steer. It looks like the dog is trying to help a little bit. Cowboying with the skid steer. Well, the dogs are trying. He will not look at that gate, that open gate. We did it. Cowboying with the skid steer and the dogs, and we got him out.